Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Peacock TV website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, just type in your credentials and log in. And after you log into your account, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and you will be able to choose which user is watching. From this page, simply click on the edit icon underneath your profile and you will be able to change your username as well as your profile settings. If you wish to change your avatar, click on change avatar and you will be able to choose from various different photos to use as your avatar. Just click on whichever avatar you want to use and it will immediately be changed. Now within the name section, you can type in whichever name you wish to use and click on the save button and your name will be changed as well. Then scroll down and underneath maturity rating, if you click on the change option, you will be able to change your maturity rating settings. Underneath this option, you will also find the profile pin option. If you wish to change your pin, you can simply click on the change pin option and enter your current pin followed by your desired new pin twice. Then you can click on the save pin option and change your pin right away. You can also turn the button off if you wish to disable your pin. From this page, you can also change various settings, including the settings for autoplay. Underneath this option, you can also change your gender, your age, and your zip code. And once you make your desired change, all of your changes will be applied immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.